Hey guys, welcome to the Physical Therapy Awareness channel. In this video, we are going to review a kinesio taping application done by a physical therapist in India. On his Instagram channel, we came across this particular video where he intends to do it for the calf pain, and the technique which he's going to use is basically to inhibit the overused calf muscle as written on his caption. Let's check it out with the video how he performs the kinesio taping application. So this is the incorrect way of taping the calves. If you look at the stretch percentage applied to this application, it's basically a paper of stretch percentage, which is incorrect for the principle of the stretch applied for the overused muscle. This is also an incorrect way of activating the glue. For your reference, we have kept slides from the Kinesio Taping Association International guidelines for application of stretch percentage, which is clearly mentioned to 15 to 25%, but here in his application, he's simply using a paper of tension technique. So guys, be aware of such instructors who's teaching you wrong techniques and save your CPD hours and points. Thank you.